Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to share with you a very unique and very interesting recipe, that is almond milk tea recipe. For this what you need: sugar, almond milk tea leaves and some almonds, and a piece of cardamom. Now let's get started. First of all, take a pan, and now what you have to do is you have to add 1 glass of water in it. After this, you have to add some almonds in a mixer grinder and grind them properly to make them in a powder form. On the other side, you have to add 2 tablespoons of tea leaves in a glass of water and heat it up. Now you have to add 2.5 spoon of sugar in it. You can add more if you want. Now we are adding 1 cardamom in it. Now let it heat for 2 to 3 minutes. This will give a very good flavor to our tea or chai. Now we are adding 1 glass of almond milk in it. Now you have to boil it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Your tea is almost ready. Now what you have to do is you have to take a cup and you have to add 1 spoon of almond powder in this. Now we are adding some tea in this glass. Stir it properly before drinking. Your almond tea is ready. It's very tasty. You must try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.